Okay, so this is the first time that I'm doing this. Today is July 31st, 2021. I got my first zucchini out of the garden. I counted 10 today. 10 are growing right now. I also got a cucumber out of my garden, hot pepper. I'm out of pepper, so I figured I would use this for what I'm making. And then I also pulled some basil and a little bit of thyme to add into it. And all I'm doing, and I'm sure that you might have seen this somewhere else, but my hands are clean, but I mowed grass and I weeded today and I made mulch. So I have dirt underneath my fingernails. Yesterday, I woke up this morning and there was another topic that was like in my head. And it was a conversation that I had yesterday. And I've already done that topic so many different times. I really don't feel like doing it. We were talking about different herbs and mugwort in particular, because I have used mugwort. I still use mugwort. I haven't used it for a while, but some months I wasn't able to, or I wasn't getting my period, and I was very bloated. I know that there are things that you can take for bloated feeling, but I wanted my period. Damn it. So, and other women do this. Use an herb to start your period. It also is an abortive, and that was what the conversation was about. And I'm not going to get into it completely, but her views and my views were similar, but hers were more radical than what mine are. Maybe at one time mine were radical like that, but she's doing a fight with Congress. I really don't care. You know, mugwort. You can use it to calm yourself down, and that was what I was using it for. Whenever I'm feeling extremely stressed out, or my period is not coming and I want it to come, I will use mugwort. You can smoke it. Yes, I've tried it, and it actually does calm you down, and it's not addictive. So, at least I don't think that it is. So anyway, that was what the conversation was about. Hers was more radical. Mine used to be on that particular subject, but mugwort should be used with caution, especially with females that are still able to have children. So, and yes, I have mugwort growing in my garden. It is awesome. But I use it for other reasons. So anyway, I already put in here, I put in here onion. I got garlic. I got pink salt, Himalayan salt, and I have oregano. And I'm going to break apart my homegrown basil. Add that in there. And a little bit of thyme. Which, how am I doing on time? Okay, well, I'm good. I've been trying to stay under 10 minutes on these videos just because it takes so long for my videos to upload. So, okay, so I got my zucchini all cut up. Oh, I got canning jars yesterday. Not exactly the price that I wanted. I know that I could have gotten cheaper. especially if I got used ones. But I got canning jars yesterday, so I'm ready to can. I've never done it by myself, so it should be interesting. But I've watched enough videos and read enough that I think I'll be okay. I wanted oil. I used to, before the fire, I used to have a brush that I would brush the olive oil, which I don't have that, so I'm using canola oil. Olive oil tastes just so much better, but I'm using what I got. Just like with the pepper. I don't have pepper. It's not really something that I use very much, just like the salt issue. Because there's other ways that you can make things spicy if you want to. So I'm using those little tomato peppers that I've been growing. I actually got them by mistake. I thought that they were green peppers. So I ended up I was at the grocery store and I said to one of the girls that was working there, I said, "Do you have a garden?" And she said, "No." And I said, "Okay, well, the reason why I ask," and then I told her, and she said, "I'll take them." And I was like, "Okay, cool." So, and then I had to tell her later, whenever I seen her, I was like, I got home and I noticed they're not green peppers, they're chili peppers. She goes, "That's okay." So anyway, I am putting Parmesan, and I don't like the canned version, but I guess you can use it if you want to. Yes, I paid $4 for this jar of Parmesan cheese that needs to be kept into the refrigerator afterwards. It just tastes so much better than the green can Parmesan cheese. And it tastes so much better on zucchini. And that is it. It is ready to go on the grill. And I ended up taking the top off of my brick oven, and I'm going to grill it on, I found something that I can use for a grill top, and so maybe I'll just show it to you. It's very it's not exactly high tech, but this is it. I burnt some of my first batch of zucchini, but I have noodles, chili, I don't know. I got stuff going on. So my hands are full, as you can see. That is what it looks like. And that's pretty much me today. I hope you have a good day the rest of the day. And I'll see you again. Bye.